Hi, everybody. Joe Galgo here, president of Baikoen. I want to thank everybody for your support last year. I know we didn't have live meetings till towards the end of the year. We went Zoom meetings, thanks to Tom. He kept us going, and he went with all his videos going all over. I thank Bob Presser for bringing in CBS artists from all over the world. That helps us with a lot of information, and we have workshops, and we get a lot of participation out of those meetings. I want to thank all my club members, especially my board, which I call Team Baikoen. Shirley, Charlene, Tom, Lindsay, Debbie, Gus, Greg, Jonathan, Mary, Ken. Hope I didn't forget anybody. And especially John Kim for having our t-shirts made up, which we will be selling at our meetings and also at our show coming up. And we will be having live meetings this year at the Arboretum, the third Thursday of the month. Our show is going to be Saturday the 22nd and the 23rd from 10 to 4:30, reception following on Saturday night. Setup will be Friday from 10. You can bring your trees at 1 o'clock. I hope we can get a bunch of team members and club members to help set up. It makes it go faster. Hope to see everybody there. Thank you. Which is on the, no? Oh, I blew it again. I didn't pay attention. I can smile just like that. I got to tuck through my teeth like this and say, hello everybody, how we doing? No, okay. Our show is going to be Saturday the 21st from 4:30.
No, try again. 22nd, 23rd. Setup on 21st. I could have a reel of bloopers just for you.
Ooh, man. No kidding. Now I know why they have the bloopers.